In this video I will be showing you how to remove the spare tire on any truck. Now this is very easy. All you need is the kit that comes with your truck. It is the kit to remove the spare tire or to replace a flat tire. This kit is usually, you can find it on the back seat underneath the seat. Now I haven't removed the spare tire in a long time, so I'm going to find out if I can do it easily or if it's rusted. If it's rusted, I'm just going to apply a lot of WD-40. Now you can usually find the spare tire located underneath the bed of the truck or underneath the tailgate, and you will need the spare tire change kit to remove this kind of spare tire. Also, you can find the spare tire change kit, like I said, it is usually found underneath the, you can find it underneath the seat, underneath the driver's seat, and you will need this, you actually need this in order to remove the spare tire. You just get this out, and I should mention that it's very important that you maintain this kit with you throughout the life of the truck, because if you lose it or something like that, it will be very hard to remove the spare tire. So I'm just going to go ahead and assemble the kit and remove the spare tire. As you can see, the shaft is very long in order to reach the lock underneath the bed. Now I also recommend that you keep this with you, the lock. If you lose it, then somebody will be able to get that spare tire, and this is where the shaft goes into. You have to insert the shaft kind of like diagonally, and you have to find the sweet spot until you feel that it locks. Then you can turn left in order to lower the spare tire. So let me see if I can take a good shot of where you're trying to insert the shaft. So I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a rectangle, and that's where you're trying to insert the shaft. Now it's locked, so I should be able to get the spare tire now. I know it's hard, and I don't know why they engineer this thing like this, but you do need a lot of patience for this. Okay, so now that the tire is fully on the ground, I recommend that you turn left all the way so you can give that cable a lot of slack so that you can remove the cable from the truck. That's it. That's like as much cable as I can get. So it was very easy for me to remove the tire. It wasn't rusted, the mechanism didn't fail, and I haven't even removed the spare tire in a long time, and actually I've never used this spare tire. Now I will remove the cable from the tire and let the tire free. And this is why you want to give this cable as much slack as possible so that you can pull the tire from underneath the truck and remove the cable from the tire. Now you may be wondering, how the hell do I remove this lug right here? And I'll show you that in a second. So it's gotta go sideways in order to come out of the circle. So there it is. Like you can see, as you can see, the tire, the spare tire looks completely different from the actual tires of the truck. This bad boy is heavy. So I'll just put it right here just to make a comparison. Yeah, as you can see, this thing is huge. And it's actually in pretty good shape. Like I said, brand new, never used. It is not dry rotted, cracked, punctured. It is none of that. So I'll just go ahead and rinse it with water. Probably spray some WD-40 on the rim and put it back in the truck. And this is how it looks. This is where the spare tire goes. I already sprayed some WD-40 on the cable as well as in the mechanism, and that's where the shaft goes into. And those are the specifications of the tire, just in case you were curious to know. So now I will put the tire back in place. I'm gonna shut up from now on and let you watch the video. One more thing, when you're done, knock on the tire, punch the tire to make sure it's not loose. Alright YouTube, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you made it this long, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you think this is a very detailed, if not the most in-depth, best video on how to remove the spare tire on any truck out there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, see my other videos, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, and thank you for watching.